Welcome back and thanks for staying with us. In this evening's edition of A Ray of Hope, dozens of residents in and around Trenchtown recently completed training and are now certified in various tourism-related fields. With that story, here's Kian Morgan.
Trenchtown, an inner-city community in Kingston, notorious for crime and violence. But the former home to reggae legend Bob Marley is also a growing tourism attraction. It is why stakeholders in the tourism sector are on a mission to capitalize on that. Dubbed the Community Ambassadors of Tourism Training Program, residents are being trained and certified in different fields of tourism with the aim of securing jobs while attracting more visitors to the area.
We actually teach about tourism, community tourism, the importance of having a job, if not having a job, being productive. We also touch on deportment, clarity of speech.
Established in 2019, the initiative is a partnership between the Trenchtown Development Association, the Polytechnic College, and the Tourism Product Development Company. Since the start of the year, over 100 community members between the ages of 17 to 50 have been trained and certified.
There are persons who contact us who are over 50, say they want to be a part, and each home in Trenchtown is going to be like a little hostel where persons can stay over. So they need this type of training.
Program coordinator at the Trenchtown Development Association, Cleon Porter, says the residents requested a second training after seeing the benefits.
You have many adults and young youth who have never received a certificate, and this motivates them. As we even see men from the community who used to be in crime and violence come and sit in this training. So it's a big, I couldn't believe, and they were early.
Principal Doseth Edwards Watson is glad her students were a part of the training.
We're seeing them being a little bit more caring. They are onto it in terms of customer service. They are pleasant. They are just able now to meet somebody, greet, and to speak about what it is that Trenchtown may have to offer.
This, as she believes, will change the negative stereotype associated with the community.
Sometimes Trenchtown is known for some violent occurrences. We're seeing that this program is taking them down in terms of that level of civility that we want from all our residents.
We're trying to win the minds to let them understand and say, hey, persons from abroad, they want to interact with the community. And it is the attitude that is going to make the difference. And if we're able to change the attitude of persons, the visitor will have a better experience.
With A Ray of Hope, I'm Kian Morgan.